Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. Today I want to show you some awesome finds that I was able to get on Run Deals. Make sure you're downloading their app and also following them on Facebook and Instagram. With that being said, let's take a look at the finds I was able to find this day. I don't know about you, but I can never have enough blanket. So as I was browsing Run Deals, I was scrolling on down and I typed in blanket and there we go. I love this brand right here. Mermaker has some awesome, cool designs for blanket and I want to show you this one. Let's check it out. Mermaker always have fabulous blankets. Let's go ahead and check out what design is on this one. So when I said this, I was like, that's funny. I want it. So I went ahead and purchased this. Let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, it's nice and tight in the wrapping. I'm assuming that you're using one of those cool vacuum pressers that vacuums all the air out so they can get it in there. Bags. I love bags. It comes with a bag. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and open this part. Let's check it out. All right. I love me some Taco Tuesday. Check out this cool burrito blanket. I'm in love. This is so funny. When I saw this, I was like, yes, I have to have it. I have to have it. They have all different types of designs. Not only this, they have characters. They have different types of food. They have logos. Anything you need, any type of blanket, go to Mermaker and you'll find it there. With that being said, let's check it out. It does not matter what you're looking for. Make sure you go on Run Deals and check what they have out. They have new deals every day. Why wouldn't you do it?